With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good morning. 11:18 Central Standard Time. Once again, stocks are getting a little weaker here. As we were thinking, Bitcoin has turned higher. We're up about, $850 on Bitcoin positions. Nice profit on SOL, a little bit on Ethereum. Our technometer on the crypto has gotten more overbought. Wanted to discuss that, throw out some Elliott wave roadmaps I just put in Discord. Update stocks. Oil stocks have done well for me. I mentioned XLE here. I've been long that since June 26th. So we was going to buy MicroStrategy and RIOT there on, Wednesday afternoon. Didn't pull the trigger. Might get another chance here. So we're going to see. What's up, Big House, SS, Bamboo, Hasta La Vista, Zimmy Jim. Usually I pay for a little bit of promotion, but I haven't been doing that. So we got to build our viewers back up, but I do use the video for some promotions. So let's start as usual. And again, you'll see on the bottom there, powered by Goracle. Goracle Networks, someone that Nick is working with closely. They have sponsored us, so we do have their logo on there. We will have for months moving forward. So check out Goracle Networks. Let's jump right into the SPY. If you can see here, let me make that chart a little bit bigger. Let's go out about 9 months. Our SPY technometer has been really good. Red sells, green buys. You can see the green buys caught majority of sells, or excuse me, the green buys caught the majority of buys. The red sells were pretty helpful too. The last green buy we had was on July 21st. You can see that one looked a little suspect after the key reversal on the 27th. But that told us to use stops at that buy signal. So that was a break-even trade. We are moving lower here. We're at the lows of the move here the last few weeks and the low of the day. Again, I wanted to go live here because our technometer was actually deteriorated over the last week or so. You can see it was down near oversold, back to 49 and change this morning. Right now, 47.6. It looks like the SPY wants to continue a little bit lower here, so we're looking for lower on stocks still. One thing that kind of got us a little bit nervous there a couple weeks ago was Apple. You can see here. Again, we mentioned this in the stock Discord that you can get at wyckoffsmi.com, pro traders, $40 a month. We showed on July 31st, Apple had went to a quick sell only after having a buy like a week previous. We said we didn't like that action, looked like a test of the highs. So we're looking for lower in Apple. Obviously, if Apple is going lower, the SPY, the QQQ is going to continue lower. I saw Apple was in I think it was 435 ETFs or 635. It was some crazy number. So as Apple goes, so does the market. We are extreme oversold on Apple. So we do think that one will bounce here soon, but again, not yet because the general indicators still look lower. Another one, you had Microsoft here, not performing well today. You got NVIDIA giving it up. There's Microsoft trending lower. Technometer 41.75, so still not a buy signal yet either on that. We're going to go to crypto here in a minute. Here's TLT. You can see here this one also broke down below previous support, but checking a previous low from October. Technometer is almost down to oversold, so I am looking for this to recover. I mentioned that in my weekend review that you can sign up for at wyckoffsmi.com. So this could be a spring. We're going to watch this here for a few more days. And again, XLE, that's been one of my better trades here recently. Let's bring this up over the last 9 months or so. You can see there, June 26 gave a buy signal. Also gave that into pro traders. I do think we're going to continue higher. We are overbought today. Finally, the most we've been overbought since probably March. So could get this little ABC pullback. I look for XLE to continue higher. I am working closely now with the London hedge fund that I mentioned to you. Not going to give any names, but that has been made official. XLE again higher. Let's go in here to MicroStrategy. One that we traded before. You'll see that here on the chart. Let's bring up a 1-year chart to show this accumulation. There's a Wyckoff accumulation phase. We had bought right coming out of that backup, made a quick 25%. We did sell early. It's really back where we had sold previous. So we took a 25% profit. It was oversold yesterday. So again, I think probably completed another backup here. But we'll go over Bitcoin here in just a minute. Right, another trade. We did this in our pro traders for stock. The MicroStrategy we did in the crypto Discord, patreon.com/learncrypto. Same type of chart on RIOT that we saw in MicroStrategy, since they're all based off of Bitcoin. Again, you can see here, accumulation phase. We bought the backup in the spring, sold the breakout a little bit early again, so don't do everything perfect. A little bit higher than where we sold. Again, looks like a nice 38% pullback, so that one probably still going to continue higher. But again, let's look at Bitcoin here. What's up, Carrie? So here we got the Bitcoin chart. You can see here the last green arrow. We were buyer 28,890 that we mentioned. You can see lower right though. The problem is, let's bring that down a little bit here. You can see lower right the technometer quickly up to 51.1. This is Bitcoin USD Coinbase. Bitcoin Tether Binance is around 48.5. So not totally overbought. Ethereum is trading around 45. So I do think crypto could work a little higher here. It is holding up. It didn't follow stocks higher, and now with stocks falling, Bitcoin's trying to put a low in. We thought this was a spring and a backup again. Nice little bull flag and still higher. So again, we are long. We have stops at break even, so we have no risk. And so far, we're still going to look higher. We'll show some Elliott wave counts here in a minute. Again, if we go to our Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index, we constructed years ago. You can see here, we've had 3 oversold buy levels. Mostly, if you took all 3 together, you'd be down slightly. Technometer 44.3. On the 3 recent buys. Technometer again 44.3, so right trading neutral. So again, I expect hopefully a little bit higher here. Hopefully our stops hold before we continue with another correction later. We're going to go to some Elliott wave roadmaps here that we just showed in the Discord. To get anybody new coming in, Goracle Networks has been sponsoring us We have their logo there. If you have any questions on that, contact Nick. Nick's the small cap fundamentalist. I'm more the large cap technician. So again, here's Elliott wave. 5 waves up, possibly ABC correction. Another 5 waves up, ABC correction completed. That count is why we did buy the other day. But we have to see continued strength here and our stops hold. Otherwise, we're going to be in trouble. And then if we go to hold on here, let me see if I got these all marked correctly. I'd have to go to my saved charts. Here's another possible count. Purple 5 waves up and a larger ABC coming, which takes us down to like 25,000. That would hurt a little bit. For that to happen, I think you're going to need to see stocks come unglued. And then we would have a pullback to 25,000. Hold on here, let me grab, got too many charts around here. Let me grab the 27.5. This one is definitely a possibility. This one, same type of thing. 5 waves up, ABC, 5 waves up, but the ABC is not completed. So we need a little bit more downside for this one. So again, that's something we're going to be looking at. That would be more like a 27.5 coming here in the coming weeks, which again, stocks stay sloppy, that could happen. So, so far so good on the upside. Again, we're going to be watching that. We was a buyer back here, 28,890 on the first. Had a nice pop, and then we've had a pretty almost a 78-80% correction. Then we have turned up again. Again, hopefully this is not an ABC, the upside completed, and we're headed lower now. If that's the case, we're going to have break-even stops. Then we're going to have to buy the 27.5 or something. So we'll watch that. Back to crypto charts. Has anybody got another crypto chart they want me to bring up? I'll do that now. Otherwise, I'm out of here, get back to work. Again, stocks look still lower. Bitcoin, I'd like to see to try to work higher and then maybe have a pullback. So we're staying along with break-even stops. Otherwise, when stocks give us a good low, then I think XLE on the stock side continues higher. And I think crypto will dig in and have a strong rally. Here's BCH. Tether Binance. Big House, what's up? Bring up the 9-month chart here. BCH. Now, hold on for a second. For some reason, my crypto software has not been having a few quirks here. Okay, there we are. You can see BCH had that huge breakout to the upside on the ETF news. Technometer 45.9. Not giving us any type of low risk entry. Normally I would have bought that when we gave the buy on Bitcoin. So that one still doing extremely well. PEPE. All right, there's the PEPE chart I've been showing for accumulation. You can see here on the 3rd, we had a 35.4 on the technometer. So if you followed that, really you would just be up a hair here. Nothing to brag about yet. Let's save this. Again, not much more to add. Volume and price somewhat moving together. We are 48.2, so I would trade that based off of my market calls, Big House. Let's save that. XRP we'll do next. XRP, we gave a buy. That one we still have a 1 cent loss on. That one's been an underperformer here since the 1st. XRP, Tether, Binance. We got a red arrow there on that big pump day. We had mentioned in the Discord that we would be a seller. Then we've had 2 oversold tech readings since then. So again, you can see what we had marked as a backup. We did work a little bit lower from our marked backup. Price-wise, it was still perfect. We did get oversold. So again, chart looks pretty good. We're long with a penny loss or so, a little less than a penny loss. OP keeps hitting new lows while price is hitting higher lows. So XRP does look higher. A little disappointed it hasn't done better in the last week. On RIOT, I am not long. I am flat, looking for missed the entry Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We talked about it, got ready, but didn't pull the trigger. That was my mistake, missing a small profit here. And you can see once again, software. I think my software people got bought out and now I'm having slight issues. Let's see if it's going to load, and it's not. Let me reload the software again real quick. Gemini is hinting at something with XRP, Kelly says. I'm not aware of that. So maybe we'll check back in here again. My crypto software having an issue right at the moment. Not cool. Not going to be able to get to Litecoin or Link or SHIB. SHIB, I know that chart looked good there a week ago when it just started breaking out. Let's see if we can bring up the SHIB now. You can see the software loaded again. And it did load. As said, having some issues. So there's SHIB. Let's see if we can get our readings on the bottom to load now. Maybe not. And no. So again, you saw the chart real quick there on SHIB. It does look still higher. That one looks like kind of getting some positive news. So that's all I can give. Let's go back here to, there's the RIOT chart still. Again, looks like a nice little 0.38% pullback, so I would expect those to go higher. We're really watching. I was worried because I think stocks still have some downside, and Bitcoin could hesitate here. The only reason I haven't jumped on RIOT, Micro, Mara, those, etc. Let me try Litecoin here again. See if my software will quit tweaking out on me. And here we are, Litecoin chart did come up. You can see we had a buy signal there. What day was that? That was August 2nd, a day after I did purchase some things. So I did mention Litecoin was oversold that day. Not much traction. You'd be up 50 cents maybe. Technometer 43.26, so not much to add there. Let's see if I can get link to load. If not, I'm out of here. And no. All right, appreciate the watching the live stream. Nick did a recorded video yesterday, so again, we're trying to get back on here, getting ready for these bull markets. We have traded very well off the lows, so let's look for that to continue. I'm going to run patreon.com/learncrypto, add maybe who is Richard Wyckoff, etc. And we'll be back here when price action warrants. Have a good one.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
Welcome to the Wyckoff Stock Market Institute. Our institute was founded in 1931 by technical trader Richard D. Wyckoff, one of the titans of technical analysis. Wyckoff SMI has been the leader in teaching technical trading for the past 91 plus years. Thousands of traders have chosen to learn at Wyckoff SMI for its proven trading techniques and invaluable proprietary market indicators. Enroll today in our Wyckoff Unleashed online course and get access to 39 lessons and quizzes, 8 hours of lectures, our 559-page book, and a comprehensive final exam. You will also receive 90 days free to our Pulse of the Market charting software, as well as our Pro Traders stock groups. One of our alumni says, "In 1956, I became a Wyckoff SMI student under Bob Evans. By learning the Wyckoff method of trading, many have learned to trade intelligently and successfully. Keep up the good work." Or from another, "I value the training I received 4 decades ago from the SMI. Why wait? Register and begin your journey to becoming a successful trader investor. To get the best experience, download our Wyckoff SMI app and get started today."